Welcome to our vlog! Today ay nandito si Mami Likey and si... What's your name?
Pizza QC Lalo. And look at this.
And we are doing a mukbang with Jollibee. Baka naman! Bakit Jollibee ang napili mong pagkain today, anak? Upo ka na rin.
Yes, I love Jollibee. I always eat this.
Sit down, sit down, sit down! Sige na, sit down. So, magmumukbang po kami today because we decided to start vlogging again. But, with a twist, magtatanong po ako sa aking panganay ng 10 questions here. Parang ano to, modern scrapbook. Kasi dati, di ba, it's a book. And ngayon, meron akong papel dito. May mga tanong. So, let's start. Umupo ka na rito. Paano tayo makakapagsimula? Are you ready?
Yeah.
And I want you to eat while you're doing this, okay?
Look at this.
You open this, okay? Okay. So, let's start, Akira. Ba't soft drinks agad?
Yeah, Coke. I'm showing them.
So, meron kaming palabok, meron kaming french fries, meron kaming chicken, at burger, and coffee for mommy. Okay, let's start. Okay, Akira. What is your full name?
Pizza QC Lalo 058.
How old are you?
6 is on.
6 years old. Subukan mo na.
I have an idea.
Anong idea mo?
6-7.
Ano 6-7? Ayan. Kain muna tayo habang
6-7.
nagtatanong. Okay. So, kumakain tayo habang kumakain. You love Jollibee talaga, no? Yeah? You love Jollibee? Ang taba ni mami. Ito ko lang dito, anak. Okay, then. What is your favorite color?
This color I show you.
What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. What is your favorite food?
Chicken joy.
Chicken Joy. What more?
Honey.
Come on.
Burger. And fries. Hum.
Please, hum. What is your favorite subject?
Numbers. Because I know one.
Any numbers, Matt?
Yeah, one. 9 plus 9 is like this. 9, 10,
Hmm.
11, 12, 13,
Hmm.
14,
Hmm.
15,
Hmm.
16,
Hmm.
17,
Hmm.
18.
Hmm. What's the answer?
18.
Very good.
See,
Okay.
I know because I like numbers.
Okay, wait lang.
Through the door.
And who is your favorite person?
Sonic the Hedgehog, my favorite.
Favorite person? Tao? Ay niya ako.
Mommy and Bea. And Daddy. And my God! And Daddy. And Lola.
This
And
is
Lolo.
Mocha.
Hmm?
Okay, next one. When you grow up, what do you want to be?
A nurse.
Bakit nurse? Halika rito.
Injection.
Dito ka. Bakit di ka nakikita sa camera? Ano?
I'm not tested.
Injection?
Injection.
Subukan mo na.
Okay, blah, 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 blah.
Injection mo. Yummy ba to?
Huh?
Cheers. Dito dun. Okay. Okay, next question please. If you have 3 wish, what it will be and why? What is our first question? Our first wish. Diyan ka muna.
A trillion man.
Ha?
A trillion dollars. A trillion.
$1 trillion?
No, a trillion. One.
Ano yun?
One a trillion. One trillion.
1 trillion?
Yeah, 1 trillion.
Yun yung wish mo?
Yeah.
Bakit?
And the next wish is I have money forever and daddy.
Wow, bakit?
I like you both and also Addy.
forever lang kaming buhay, ganon. Bakit? Eh, yun yung wish mo.
Yeah, because mommy is I like, daddy my baby sister's drawing on the tail, and daddy's always working for me.
Wow! And what is your last wish?
My last wish? I have always
Jollibee? Sobrang... Sit down. Sobrang pure naman ng wish mo, anak.
I like it. I love you, Adi, and Daddy. I have everyone I like.
O, kain na ulit.
Yes, sir. Oh, wait, I didn't bring the water.
Go, let's eat.
Let's eat burgers.
Ano ba itong tanong na? Hindi ko nasulat. What make you happy? What make you happy?
Daddy.
Jollibee, and what more? Jollibee, mahal na mahal ka ng anak ko, ah. Ano ka lang dito, be?
Mommy, ako.
Mami.
Daddy and Abby.
What make you sad?
Make me sad. Wala mommy dito. And wala na daddy and Adi.
Mami needs to work every day. From Monday to Friday.
And daddy also.
Yeah. But do you understand that we need to work for you and Adi? And you understand that you are the kuya. And we love you. And what's the challenging part for being a kid? Ano bang mahirap sa pagiging bata?
100 plus 99 million.
Ayusin mo, yung seryoso.
The hardest part is numbers. Kasi, it's reading.
Reading.
The reading. Cause I don't know what is that big reading stuff.
Big words.
Yeah.
Pero sa sa daily life mo, anong pinakamahirap? Sa everyday na ginagawa mo? Hindi sa
When I'm
school.
going to school.
Going to school is pinakamahirap?
Yeah, I'm gonna go every month.
But you need to do that so you will be having a great future.
Yeah.
And sharing is caring. And what is mommy always saying to you?
Don't hurt other people and listen to teacher.
Okay. And always
Come to other people.
Always be kind to others. Okay. This is the last question for you, and we can do we can finish the live and we can eat all the food here. And so what is your message for
Ano? Mama.
Mama? Okay, go.
My message in my overwrap.
Kain ka muna. Sana si Ali? Go, message for Mama. What's your message for
My
Mama?
message is I love mommy and daddy and Adi and Lola and Lola.
Kay Mama nga muna.
So I love mommy and I miss mommy in the work. Because mommy always going to work.
Uy, wag ka.
I'm sad.
Don't make Mama cry.
I miss mommy.
I love you, anak.
I miss mommy.
Bakit? You sometimes go to work naman, di ba, ano?
Yes!
Okay. Let's end. What more?
And I always love mommy because he always take care of me and get money because he hard work.
What? How about the daddy?
Daddy also go hard work and he's also get a lot of money and I like daddy.
And can you say hi, Daddy? Hi, Daddy. Shout out to you.
Hi, Dad.
Daddy's in Cavite with his cousins. And what can you say to Lola and Lolo?
I love Lolo because come over.
Okay, wait lang. Ah, alam niyo yung kumakain kayo tapos may batang pumupo. Wait lang. Last part na kuya. And what can you say to our viewers?
I like you. Like watching. And look at.
And what more? Okay, okay. Pupo. Show your pupo. Yung kumakain, tapos may pupo. Wait lang, magugas na si mama. Can you say, and this is the end of our life?
No, I said.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Are you happening? Kasi
Ah, you can eat. Okay, I wash na. Ikaw na mag-vlog. Oh, you take over. Mommy need to wash, Adi.
Okay, let's eat now. Look. This is look. Our mommy is Oh. Sorry. Oh. Mmm. Cold up. I like you because you're always swimming. You're always swimming because you're always swimming. That's why I like you. My baby sister is pooping right now, and I have a great time swimming, dreaming, and I don't eat and look fun radio. A good time watching. Hey. Whoa. Oh, no.
We're back!
Back.
Oo, dito. Dito, anak, dito.
Hey, wait. Look.
What happened?
Hey.
So lang, yay! You can say goodbye na to your vlog.
Not yet.
Oh, we're still vlogging?
I'm still swimming. Bye. Good.
Sige. Sugot ako.
Oh, gusto pa lang ba? Ano? Lagay ba?
Oh, dear. What are you saying to the vlog, Akira?
Okay.
With my legs. I didn't know.
You eat your burger. You eat your rice. You want more gravy? Adio. Here you go, love. So, ganito ginagawa namin kapag wala si Daddy, nagmumukbang.
Mukbang.
Gravy, more gravy. Ano pa?
You can touch me.
Eating time. Dito ka lang, ako lang. Magbabay ka na dyan.
I can't because I'm still swimming. It's very down the stream.
Madeng.
Sure. I only have lip canila.
Sabi mo, Jollibee, baka naman. Sabi mo, it's almost Mommy's birthday and my birthday and Addie's birthday.
Mommy doing, and we're doing swimming in my generation and with Mommy birthday.
Okay, get it. Get mo yung bundok.
So let's talk.
I got it.
Ah, Okay, say goodbye to the vlog, Akira.
No!
Sabihin mo na.
No, no, mommy, no! No.
Hindi na kasi natulog si Dad. 1, 2, 3, go!
Baba!
What will you say? Go!
You want to see more big like this? Check my screen right now. Bye.
Ulit. Laksan mo, ulit!
My God!
1, 2, 3, go!
You want to see more big like this? Click my screen right now. Bye.